the winding stream. All the mothers and the new children would present their families to the Meadow Queen, and there would be much dancing and singing. And the new families would compete for a special place in the fall journey southward.
Come along, there's no time to waste and dawdle. Come along, and stand up straight.
When do we eat? I'm hungry. I don't want to go. Ah.
Come along and make your mama proud today.
How come she's always ahead of me?
I know that mine would like to be the prize this year.
Mother dear, I hate when I get dirt on my feet. Me too. We have to walk so near those other ducks. Yes, Mother, they smell. And Mother, please, I think one of my feathers isn't properly fluffed.
Good morning, ladies.
Good morning. How are you today?
Our sister's the ugliest one here. Yeah. When does the stay home?
Mama told me the queen is here in true beauty.
Yeah, we're gonna get laughed out of the festival. If it's sent downstream where the humans live. Quack, quack, quack. You don't look like us. You don't fit in here. We're pretty. You're ugly. That's a fact. You don't sound like us, so don't come too near. You have such a hideous quack.
But I have things in me. I know it. I felt them. Things you would love if you knew me. Together we'd have so much fun if you let me. I do things like stand on my head.
No! Quack, 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 quack. You don't look like us. We're graceful and grand. You're bulky and awkward and clumsy. You don't look like us, Susie. We've been blessed with all of life's riches and beauty.
But I can be funny. I tell jokes and stories. Like why did that chicken cross the road? I make you happy or I make you smile. And laughter can lighten your load.
Be gone! Quack, 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 quack. You don't get it, we don't want you around here, we don't like you, and that is a fact. Quack, 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 quack. You're so ugly, we don't want you here, we don't want you, turn our backs.
You stop that meanness this instant, do you hear me? I won't stand for that kind of talk.
The party's beginning. It's time we should go.
Say I'm sorry, turn around and walk.
Sorry, 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 sorry.
Cute little guy.
Darling, I'm sorry they hurt you.
It's all right.